Right, this is amazing. Also today on the 25th of July 2024, and here we have Sammonkatu 29-31 stainless Jeep here in Kaleva, Tampere to Force big modernized Finland, and I don't remember filming this because I thought this was badly modernized or revised.
Yeah.
I can't remember it at all. It's weird that I missed this.
Yeah.
It's built in 1960, the number is H8693, and the basic was locked up. Let's try to run here. It feels like it might have been finished in the late 1960 or even 1961, but we have to check that.
No, 1960 I think.
Maybe late 60 then, because these doors are like
Yeah.
interesting here. The doors don't feel very much 50s, so that's why I think late 1960.
Yeah, but if it was finished in 1960s, then it's maybe mid 1960.
Yeah.
Spektiitpaikkivaismutta miten paikka on.
And I love the sounds and the smell here.
Same.
Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's